Neema here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 9, that is average, speed, distance and time. Today my topic is average. Okay, average. Average, or you can say mean. Okay, mean or average. The average of two or more similar quantities is the quantity obtained by dividing the sum of all the quantities by the number of quantities. Okay, average of two or more similar quantities is the quantity obtained by dividing the total of all the quantities by number of quantities. And for average there is simple formula: sum of quantities divided by number of quantities, or you can say sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Okay, sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. And in your book, this exercise 9.1, there are some questions based on average, and you are asked to find the average. Okay, for average, this is the formula. For average, sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. Okay, and with the help of this formula, we can get sum of the quantities. This will be cross product here with average. With average, it will be multiplied number of quantities, and you will get number of quantities. Sorry, sum of quantities. You will get sum of quantities. Sum of quantities. This formula is derived from this formula. Okay, from this formula, number of quantities here it will be sum of the quantities will be is equal to average multiplied by number of quantities. Average multiplied by number of quantities. Okay, this is second formula which is derived from this formula, average. Okay, the sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. So let's solve this. One and two question of exercise 9.1. Here you are given find the average of these numbers. Some are in decimals and some are in mixed fraction. That is mixed fraction. We can write it 12 and half. We can write first, this formula will be here. Average is equal to sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. Okay, number of quantities. So, sum of the quantities is 12 and half. You can write it as 12.50 and plus 14.25. 15 and half means 15.50. Okay, 16.5. You can put 10 to just complete equivalent decimal. And 1/4 is how much? 0.25. 1/4 is here. 1/4 is equal to 0.25. Half is equal to 0.50. And this 3/4 is equal to 0.75. So 18 whole 1/4 will be written as 18.25. 1/4 is how much? It is 0.25. Okay. And how many quantities are there? Number of quantities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are there? Quantities are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will be divided by 5. Average. Okay. Now take out your notebook and add all these decimal numbers here. Take your notebook. Hurry up. Find what are you getting total of this 12.50 14.25, 15.50, 16.50, 18.25. Add it. Hurry up. Take out your notebook and add. Add. What are you getting? Hurry up. Add. Yes. Have you got 77.00? 77.00. Here. What you have got? 77 divided by 5. Now, 0.00, it hardly matters if you write or not. Okay. Now, divided by 5. 5 under 5. 5 5 25 and 5 4 20. And you will get 15.4 average. Okay. Then, other question is here, find average of, find average of these numbers 6, 8, 10, 13, 16 and 19. Okay. So average. For average, you will write the same formula here. For average, sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. So average, you will write formula. Then proceed. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16 plus 19. Add how many numbers are there? Quantities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. So add, hurry up, add 6, 8, 10, 13, 16 and 19. Hurry up. Hurry up, add. Take out your notebooks. You haven't taken out. Yes. What have you got? 72. Am I right? 72 divided by 6. It will be 12. It will be 12. In this way, you will find the average by finding the sum of all the quantities and divide that sum of the quantity by number of quantities. Okay, you will solve exercise 9.1. All questions are based on average based on this formula. Okay, thank you.